Blood pressure. Each time your heart beats, your blood pressure first increase and decrease as the heart rate between beats. We're going to calculate how many times your heart beats in 1 minute. So we need this formula right here. That is for calculating the period. We have PT equals to 150 plus 25 in parentheses 160 pi t. This is our formula. We're going to change it, and that gives us 2 pi divided by b. That have your second option, that is 2 pi divided by 160 pi. That equals to 1 divided by 80. And that is your last answer. So the answer is that in 1 minute, you have 80 beats per minute. Well, for that person, that is in the good range, because the range is 120 under 80. So it's in a good period.
Blood pressure function. P of T is pressure in millimeters of mercury. Time, which is T, is measured in minutes. 115 is the symmetry axis of the function. 25 is the amplitude. And this is the period. This is the graph. The normal blood pressure is between 90/60 and 120/80 millimeters of mercury. The function blood pressure is 140/90 millimeters of mercury, which is considered high.
Variable stars are ones whose brightness varies periodically. One of the most visible is R. Leonis. R. Leonis boldly boasts to be one of the brightest and easiest to observe variable stars in the sky. This mighty star can easily be seen without the aid of any costly equipment. The color of the variable has been described as a rosy scarlet, and stands out in the stark contrast to its neighboring stars. Using the original Hipparcos data that was released in 1997, the parallax to the star was given as 9.8700. Which gave the calculated distance to R. Leonis as 330.45 light years away from Earth. Its brightness is modeled by the function 7.9 minus 2.1 cosine 156 t, where t is measured in days. So, if we want to find the brightness, the maximum and minimum brightness of these stars, we need to graph the function using a graphing software. So here, using GeoGebra, we put the function here, and we got this graph. So here we can see that the maximum of the star is 11, and the minimum is about a 5.8.